So the last section we're going to cover in the next couple of minutes, and then I'll take questions, is insurance. And insurance is essentially your financial backup plan. This is, it can save you a ton of money in the event of an emergency or unplanned life circumstances, especially in the health area. So it's important that you have the right insurance so that you can protect yourself without having to impact your financial plan. So types of insurance: personal insurance that you should have, health insurance, and you don't want to just opt for the cheapest health insurance. You want to really look at your needs and determine what is the best insurance plan. So quick personal story: several years ago when I was pregnant with my twins, we came into open enrollment for insurance. And since I had a high risk pregnancy with twins, I decided to choose the higher cost emergency plan. I had a coworker who was also pregnant with multiples with twins, and she also had a high risk pregnancy. And I remember having a conversation with her, and she said, "Oh, she doesn't want to pay the extra $200 a month, so she's going to go with a cheaper plan." She ended up having her twins at about 30 something, early 30 weeks. And they were in the NICU for, I believe, 9 months each. And she ended up having $1 million hospital bill, but her insurance coverage was only 55% because she chose a lower plan. So she was left with a 500 something thousand-dollar bill simply because she didn't want to pay the extra $200. Auto insurance is mandatory, of course, but again, you want to pick the best plan depending on your needs. You may have a young driver in your home, you may have a really expensive car, etc. Renters or homeowners insurance is super important. If you are renting, your landlord's insurance does not cover your personal property. If you're a homeowner and you live in a flood zone, a disaster zone, you really want to get the right kind of insurance, especially also for theft or other kinds of damage. So those renters or homeowners insurance, I definitely recommend. Renters insurance is very cheap. It's between $10 and $20. That's like a cup of coffee or two. And then other insurance you want to consider: life insurance if you have dependents, people who rely on your income; disability insurance beyond what might be offered by your employer; personal property insurance, for example, computers, jewelry, valuables, artwork; home warranties that protect your systems in your home, for example, your air conditioning, your plumbing, your heating systems. And then if you have a side hustle, depending on the types of services you're offering, you may want to consider getting business insurance as well.